How to use Truist Online Financial Calculator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to plan your finances smarter, well here is how to use Truist Online Calculators. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and out here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here simply log in with your credential and once logged in on the main dashboard, just click on planning or tools and then select calculator. And from there you can pick from options like mortgage, retirement, savings, auto loans or budgeting. So they input the requested information, amounts, interest rate, time frames and payment schedules and make sure that the numbers are accurate for reliable results. And once you're done with that, the calculator will show you results immediately with the monthly payments, saving projections, loan comparisons, and retirement goals. And some calculators allow you to adjust variables to see different scenarios. And from there, you can just download, print, or save result for your records or to share with any financial advisors. And that's it. Truist calculators make your planning for your finances simple and visual all online. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.